Welcome to the CCN News Desk. Today we're talking about concealed carry, firearms, and reciprocity laws in Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania, home to the city of brotherly love and the Liberty Bell. Now hey guys, remember, this is not legal advice. Please consult your state's official government website prior to acting on anything stated in this broadcast. And as always, for the most up-to-date information, please visit Pennsylvania's Reciprocity map on concealedcoalition.com. Let's kick it off with our first question. Kate?
Does Pennsylvania recognize constitutional carry? Basically, does Pennsylvania allow you to carry a gun without a permit? No. Unfortunately, constitutional carry is illegal in Pennsylvania. Does Pennsylvania allow open carry of guns? Any person 18 years or older who is legally permitted to carry a firearm may open carry. An LCF for residents or a license or permit from a reciprocating state for non-residents is required to open carry or carry in a vehicle in Philadelphia. Is concealed carry legal in Pennsylvania? Pennsylvania residents in possession of their LCF may concealed carry in the state, as can non-residents with a license or permit from a reciprocating state. This out-of-state qualification also authorizes non-residents to seek their Pennsylvania LCF while in the state. How difficult is it to obtain a carry permit in Pennsylvania? Pennsylvania is a shall-issue state, which means individuals seeking to own a handgun must meet state eligibility requirements and pass a background check.
Can you carry a concealed handgun in a vehicle in Pennsylvania? Yes, with a state-issued permit. However, no person, even the holder of a license to carry a firearm, may carry a loaded long gun in a vehicle. Pennsylvania law also provides that any person who carries a firearm in any vehicle without a valid license is committing a felony. Can you carry a concealed firearm at roadside rest areas in Pennsylvania? Yes, with a Pennsylvania concealed carry license, or a license from a state that Pennsylvania recognizes reciprocity. Can you carry a concealed firearm in state and national parks, state and national forests, and wildlife management areas in Pennsylvania? Yes, it is legal to carry a firearm in any state park, state wildlife management area, a state or national wildlife area or refuge, national forests, and national parks. Can you carry a concealed firearm in bars and restaurants that serve alcohol in Pennsylvania? Yes, you can carry a concealed firearm in bars and restaurants that serve alcohol. Where does Dracula buy his pencils?
Where?
Pennsylvania.
What do you call an uncredited rider in urban Northwest Pennsylvania?
What?
An eerie ghost rider. How many states recognize my Pennsylvania permit? 17 states recognize full reciprocity in Pennsylvania, and 15 states recognize reciprocity with restrictions in Pennsylvania. Where can't I carry a concealed firearm in Pennsylvania? Since this question varies from county to county, we recommend you check your local government's website and visit the Pennsylvania Reciprocity map on concealedcoalition.com for the most up-to-date information. What is the legal age for handgun purchase in a concealed carry permit in Pennsylvania? The minimum age is 21 years old. Can I bring my concealed firearm to another state when I visit? Yes. Pennsylvania shares reciprocity with 32 additional states. Please refer to concealedcoalition.com's reciprocity map for more information.
Can you carry or possess a firearm on hotel property in Pennsylvania? Some premises may allow concealed carry weapons to be checked in and stored, while others may not allow any firearms. Check with the hotel in advance to clarify rules before entering the premises. Do you have a duty to notify a police officer that you're carrying a concealed firearm in Pennsylvania? Pennsylvania does not require voluntary disclosure, only that the license be produced upon the request of a law enforcement officer. However, it is good practice to voluntarily inform the officer that you are a concealed carry licensee. This is an act of good faith and shows you're a responsible and cooperative gun owner. Are no weapons allowed signs enforced in Pennsylvania? No, but it is always vital to respect the wishes of private property owners with regards to the allowing of firearms on their property. It will result in a charge of defiant trespass if a concealed carry licensee continues to remain in or on private property when asked to leave on grounds of carrying a firearm. Does Pennsylvania have any red flag laws? No, Pennsylvania does not have red flag laws. Does Pennsylvania's state law define brandishing? Disorderly conduct is clearly defined in state legislation as any behavior that creates inconvenience, alarm, or risk. It may be confidently stated that any irresponsible display or use of a firearm would constitute an offense under these regulations. Does Pennsylvania have laws regarding carrying a concealed firearm while using alcohol or chemical substances? Pennsylvania law does not clearly define this matter in state legislation, but their anti-drug stance regarding firearms is clear elsewhere. Even the smallest drug-related misdemeanor will result in being prevented from obtaining a concealed carry permit or having it revoked. Possession of a dangerous controlled substance is punishable without a valid medical prescription. Offenders face fines and jail time. Why does no one own an Xbox in Pennsylvania?
Why?
Because it's always Sony in Philadelphia.
What do you call an Amish guy with his hand in a horse's mouth?
What?
A mechanic. Can you conceal carry weapons other than handguns in Pennsylvania with a concealed carry license? A license to carry firearms is issued to carry a firearm concealed on one's person or in a vehicle within its commonwealth. Any person who carries a firearm concealed on or about his person, except in his place of abode or fixed place of business without a valid and lawful issued license commits a felony of the 3rd degree. Is it legal to own a taser or a stun gun in Pennsylvania? Pennsylvania residents may legally own and carry a stun gun without a permit for use in self-defense. State law states that it is a misdemeanor to use a stun gun for reasons other than self-defense. Is it legal to buy or use chemical spray or pepper spray in Pennsylvania? There are no laws prohibiting Pennsylvania residents from carrying pepper spray. However, residents may not carry in select areas such as schools and courthouses. Does Pennsylvania have magazine capacity restrictions for handguns? Nope, there are no magazine restrictions. Does Pennsylvania have ammunition restrictions? The possession of armor-piercing or Teflon-coated ammunition is prohibited while committing or attempting to commit a crime.
Does Pennsylvania issue concealed carry licenses to non-residents? Yes. An out-of-state qualification from a reciprocating state also authorizes non-residents to seek their Pennsylvania LCF. Does Pennsylvania allow the public to access concealed carry registry information through public records law? No, public access is not allowed. Is a permit required to purchase a handgun in Pennsylvania? No, a person doesn't need to obtain a permit or license to purchase or own a firearm. Are background checks required for private gun sales in Pennsylvania? Yes. Federal law requires licensed firearms dealers to acquire a background check in Pennsylvania, even in private gun sales. These requirements do not apply to transfers between spouses, parents, and children, or grandparents and grandchildren. Do handguns need to be registered in Pennsylvania? Not by the buyer, but any individual conducting a trade or sale, such as a gun store owner, is required to keep a record of the sale. What is the minimum age to possess and transport a handgun in Pennsylvania? You must be 18 to possess or transport a handgun.
Well, that's all the time we have for you today. Thanks for tuning into CCN, your Concealed Coalition Network, helping you protect what matters most. I'm Kate.
And I'm Sam.
And remember to be a guardian always and a warrior when needed.